In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Calendly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a new meeting type that you can share with anyone, so they can easily book time on your calendar. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look for the scheduling section. This is where Calendly groups all of your meeting types and scheduling options. Go ahead and click on scheduling. This will open a page showing your existing meeting types, if you already have any, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Once you're on the scheduling page, find the Create button. This is usually located near the top of the screen. Click on Create to start setting up a new meeting type. Calendly may show you different options for what kind of event you want, like one-on-one or group meetings. Choose the one that best matches the kind of meeting you're setting up. For most people, a standard one-on-one meeting is a great place to start. After selecting the type of meeting, you'll be taken into the event editor. This is where you customize how your meeting will work. One of the most important settings here is the duration. Look for the duration section and click on it. This controls how long each meeting will last. When you click duration, you'll see several options, such as 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and sometimes a custom option. Select the duration that fits your needs. For example, you might choose 30 minutes for a quick check-in or 60 minutes for a more in-depth discussion. Remember that shorter meetings can be easier to fit into your schedule and your guest schedules. Next, fill in the other details for your meeting. Give your event a clear name, like intro call or project kickoff meeting. You can also add a description to explain what the meeting is about and what people should prepare. Make sure the location is set, whether it's a video call link, a phone call, or an in-person meeting. Check your availability settings so Calendly only offers times that work for you. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the duration and details,